All right, Wakalah. Wakalah is agency, right? Agency could be with or without fees. The agent is authorized to do things that has been authorized by the principal. So yeah, that's the main thing. Otherwise, if it is for fees, the ruling is almost like ijara, because ijara is also for fees, meaning that you have to specify the work, you have to specify this and that, specify the fees as well. If it is not for fees, if it is for free, then we just have to specify the work and we have just to authorize. As I previously mentioned, the agency role is also there when there is a mudaraba for mudarib. Agency role is also there when someone is a working partner. An agency role is also there when he's just an agent under the Wakalah contract or Wakalah bil istismar, investment agent. So that's fine. The principle is there, Wakalah is also a trust-based contract. So the wakil, the agent, is not liable for the capital loss. He's only liable for loss when there is a negligence, breach of contract, or misconduct. So those are the very principles. I will skip the rest of the thing. Now this brings us to another quick quiz, inshallah. I think we are almost done. We only have few concepts before we finish, inshallah. Okay, thank you. Let's close the poll. So yes, the majority is correct. It's D. What is D? If you look at what is the question. So in a car ijara, the following is the responsibility of lessee. Okay, what is number one is takaful. Now takaful or insurance is an ownership related expense. It is a responsibility of the lessor, not the lessee. Number two, service and oil change on completion of certain mileage. This is maintenance, day-to-day maintenance. This is a responsibility of the lessee. Registration and annual tax, this is also an ownership related expense. This is the responsibility of lessor. And finally, usual wear and tear, this is the responsibility of the lessee. So 2 and 4 is D. All right, so D is the correct answer. Thank you for your participation. This session was brought to you by TAIF and Adl. If you have benefited from it, please share in your social media platforms about both the entities and share the word. Spread the word. Jazakumullah khairan.